Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a wise old man named Samuel. He was known for his wisdom and kindness. One day, a young boy named Tom came to Samuel frustrated and angry because his best friend had betrayed him. Samuel listened patiently and then handed Tom a bag of feathers. He told Tom to place a feather on the doorstep of every house in the village. Though puzzled, Tom followed Samuel's instruction and spent entire day placing feathers on doorsteps. The next morning, Samuel asked Tom to collect all the feathers he had placed. Tom tried but found that the wind had blown most of them away. He returned with only few feathers in the bag. Samuel smiled and said, "You see, anger and harsh words are like these feathers. Once released, they cannot be taken back. Always be mindful of your actions and words, for they can spread far and wide, affecting many." Tom understood the lesson and learned to control his temper, realizing the importance of kindness and forgiveness. The village grew more harmonious, and Tom became known for his patience and wisdom. The moral of the story is think before you speak or act, for your words and actions have lasting impacts. Thank you.